was 8 years old. I never used a Q-tip in my ears. I have not brushed my teeth since I was 8 years old.
Bro, listen. As you're watching this, just look at the reaction of the people that are listening to this guy. Just listen.
Oh yeah, I'm 62.
They're just like, what? That's crazy. What the heck? You need to go brush your teeth, bro.
Oh yeah, I'm 62 years old and I got every one of them. Never had a cavity and I've never had any problems with them. Go figure that one out.
Listen, man, a guy like this, honestly, for me, I would trust a guy like that. When this guy is saying he never had cavities, never had problems with his teeth, I believe this guy, bro. Because here's the thing. Whenever those NPCs, whenever they hear about someone who's like, I have not brushed my teeth in 16 years. I have not drank water in 20 years. They're just going to be like, whoa, that's crazy, bro. How is that even possible? It's because they're not exposed to this knowledge. They're not exposed to the real knowledge. I'm going to prove to you in this video, by the way, why toothpaste is so bad for you. And by the way, bro, like, what do you think all these people in the past, what do you think they used to brush their teeth with? Like, do you really think they used to go to the store, buy some Colgate with a toothbrush made out of plastic, and then just brush their teeth morning and night? That's freaking crazy, bro.
No, I just do hydrogen peroxide.
This guy's like, I just do hydrogen peroxide, that's it. So look, one thing I learned, bro, back in the day, back in middle school, right? No one taught me this stuff. Back in middle school, I used to walk around and my breath used to be so bad. Like, I'm actually even freaking embarrassed sharing this with you guys, but my breath used to actually be bad. I used to actually get made fun of because my breath was bad. So I'm like, I don't get it. Like, I'm brushing my teeth, but then, like, why is my breath so bad, bro? And then as the days progressed, I'm like, finished middle school, went to high school, and then I learned mouthwash is the worst thing you can ever put in your body. You know what's better than mouthwash? Hydrogen peroxide, man. Ever since I use hydrogen peroxide in my mouth, I have not had a bad breath in so long, bro. But that's not just it. In this video, trust me, I'm going to teach you exactly how to brush your teeth in a way where you don't have problems with your teeth are not yellow, and you don't really experience any problems where you have to go to the dentist and stuff like that. I've never seen a dentist in around like at least 8 years. But maybe I've actually seen it in university because like they told me it's free to go and see it, so I saw it. But I've never seen a dentist in so long. Now, by the way, just so you guys know, I'm just searching up hydrogen peroxide. This guy right here, he claims that he's never brushed his teeth before, but he does brush his teeth. It's just that it sounds so much nicer and so much more shocking to say that, oh, I've never brushed my teeth in my life. It's been 16 years I've never brushed my teeth. Or actually, it says 8 years. But no, this guy, no, it says since 8. So that's actually a long time, bro. Not gonna lie, it's like 50 years almost. But this guy does brush his teeth. Like, he actually does take care of his mouth. When you see him, like, his teeth are not gonna be yellow. His mouth is not gonna have bad breath. So let me show you. First of all, water plus hydrogen peroxide is the best thing that you can put in your mouth to get rid of bad breath. I've not seen a single thing that's like as good as this. But by the way, so what you do is that you just basically get like, I mean, I can't really see it. Just get a cup like this, put half water, half hydrogen peroxide, like swirl it, and then put it in your mouth and just wash your thing. Make sure like you gargle with it to the point that it reaches this, because it's gonna basically clean everything, and just spit it out, and then brush your teeth using the way that I'll show you in this video. So that's all you do. Just get 3% hydrogen peroxide, not like a super strong one, just like 3% hydrogen peroxide. Walmart has it. Just go and get it, and then just like wash your mouth with that. You do that, bad breath is gone. Trust me, bro. There's not going to be a single day where you have bad breath anymore. Do it every single day for a whole week, like morning and night. And then after that week, do it like once a day for 7 days. And then you can do it like every other day. And then eventually you can just do it like 3 times a week and then you're done. But look, here's the thing. Why does this guy right here, why has he not brushed his teeth since 8?
No, the reason why, go on a YouTube video and watch what...
He's like, go on a YouTube video. Just watch my video, bro.
If you put Crest on a toothbrush, okay? Take that same toothbrush on a rusted chrome bumper and watch it just take all the rust right off the bumper. Now that's the same thing that you're cleaning your teeth with. What you're doing is you're withdrawing the enamel. In other words, you're taking the enamel, the protection off your teeth when you brush. Why? Why? What did Moses use soap when he was?
That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, did these people use toothbrush back in the day? Obviously, they've used soap because, like, soap is not a new invention. But Colgate, Crest, all these things, they're all new, Habibi. So here's the thing. The issue with it is this thing called aluminum fluoride, right? So when you're brushing your teeth, you're putting fluoride in your mouth. So that's the first thing. But then you combine that with the deodorants that you guys were using. So then when you're putting fluoride in your mouth, and then you're putting deodorant. The deodorant has aluminum. So you're basically combining aluminum with fluoride. That creates aluminum fluoride. So what's happening is that when your body has aluminum fluoride is the worst thing they can put for your brain. That's what makes people dumb. That's what causes dementia. That's what causes Alzheimer's. That's the worst thing they can put in your brain. So here's the thing. These people, bro, the people that are creating all these products, there's a reason why they're putting all these chemicals in them. Like, do you really think they don't know what aluminum is doing? They don't know what fluoride is doing? They know what it's doing. They claim that it helps your teeth. They claim it's like it's good because it gets rid of the smell. But that's not what it's doing. This thing is actually killing you. It's making everybody dumb. That's why people have such low IQ. Fluoride destroys your IQ. Plus, it destroys like your pineal gland. Pineal gland is the gland that I say is like the gland for faith. So if this gland is getting destroyed, you can't even come and pray and just like visualize the faith, visualize the goodness, visualize like the Jannah. Because in the Quran it says that in the Hadith, it's like imagine Jannah in front of you, imagine hellfire in front of you. Like it's good to visualize those things, but then you can't even imagine those things when your pineal gland is getting destroyed. This has got to such a point, to the point that even if you tell someone, imagine a red apple, they can't imagine it. People nowadays, they can't even imagine a red apple. That's how destroyed your pineal gland is. You can't even visualize anything, bro. So this is the thing. Aluminum plus fluoride, it destroys you. Now, usually I say when you search things up on Google, it's like Google is obviously controlled. So it's going to be like, it's going to tell you that, oh, it's good for you. But actually, I'm kind of surprised. Aluminum and fluoride in drinking water in relation to later dementia risk. It says that it does have some risk, but we're still not so sure. But it's a study. Usually they're fine. And this one too is like in relation to later. Actually, this is the same exact one, not gonna lie. But that's the thing, I'm telling you, aluminum plus fluoride. The thing is that like it penetrates the BBB easily, which is the brain-blood barrier. It penetrates it easily, and that's what causes like retardation, to be honest, bro. That's actually what causes it. So what you want to do is you want to use something without fluoride and use something without aluminum. So then what's the solution? I'll tell you the solution. So one solution I actually found is from Solbra right here. I'm pretty sure you guys know who Solbra is, but this is actually a good solution, just so you guys know. So this is a toothpaste, right? One of the home products that makes it like it's not toxic, so it's good for your mouth. Even if you put it, like you'll actually feel better too. Now baking soda is one of the ingredients. And the other ingredient is coconut oil. That's actually all it is. So just put baking soda in your, like in the drink. So baking soda with coconut oil, like mix it, and that's your toothpaste. So what you do, oil pulling. Now listen, what you do is that you add these two ingredients together. You put it in your mouth. Just keep it in your mouth for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then like make sure like you actually like moving it around, moving it on the teeth, everything, and then spit it out. Then you take a toothbrush, just like toothbrush was like bamboo toothbrush maybe, not the plastic ones, like ones that are actually made from high quality ingredients, material, and then brush your teeth to get rid of everything. Even better is that when you do this, you take a miswak. So here it is, by the way. I'm just gonna search up miswak, and there we go. Just like use one of these things. When I went to Medina and Saudi, I got a lot of these miswaks, and these miswaks are actually good, bro. So that's what Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam he used to use back in the day. This is just like a natural toothbrush. And what's crazy is that the ingredients, like the stuff that's inside this thing, is everything that you need for proper teeth. So this is what they used to use. And this is the thing that grows on trees. So just take it, use it, and that's going to make your teeth cleaner. But to make them whiter, to make them look nicer, you need coconut oil and baking soda. Or even sometimes you can just use coconut oil just by itself. You don't really need to use baking soda. But it's good to use baking soda just because it's alkaline. So what that means is that because it's alkaline, and then you put it in your mouth, an alkaline environment is going to kill all the bad bacteria. So it's going to make your breath even smell a lot nicer. Do this. They say a ratio of 3 to 2 of coconut oil to baking soda. So coconut oil should be more than baking soda. Just use it, and that's it. That's literally it. You don't need more than that. And then just use like miswak, and that's it. Now what I also do as well is that I use hydrogen peroxide. So again, half hydrogen peroxide, half water. I use it, I put it in my mouth, and I like basically, what's the word? Like I gargle with it, and then I throw it out. Not a single ounce of bad breath, bro. That's how powerful this is. Using Colgate, all this stuff, by the way, it's gonna look like this. Using Colgate, all these other things, bro, like, do you really think back in the day, people used to have these things in their homes, and then they used to have like toothaches and like having to take out their wisdom teeth and all that stuff, having to go to the dentist and everything? No such thing, bro. All these issues are new. They're new. Like that's why people are experiencing such things. Because this stuff is new, because the food you're eating is horrible, destroys your gut. If your gut is bad, your breath is going to be bad, your teeth are going to be bad, everything's going to be bad. Bad! But then if your diet is on point, you're eating proper things, not like artificial things, then you're going to be good. But this guy is like, fresh cum jar, start? Of course. But don't swallow it. I wouldn't swallow it, even though like there's honestly nothing wrong with swallowing it. But that's pretty much it. Let me see what this guy actually said at the end.
Now that's the same thing that you're cleaning your teeth with. What you're doing is you're withdrawing the enamel. In other words, you're taking the enamel, the protection off your teeth when you brush. Why? Why? Did Moses use soap when he was? Did Jesus? Did any of them? They lived 400. Moses lived 400 years. He did something right.
He's actually right. Not gonna lie. Like people with the NPCs, honestly, bro, they would hear this guy talking, and they're just gonna be like, "Bro, your breath probably smells bad and all that stuff." You guys are not understanding. Like the stuff that you're putting in your body is horrible, man. I actually regret using Miswak. I mean, not Miswak because I'm reading Miswak. I regret using this stuff like the Colgate and everything. That stuff is actually horrible for you. And by the way, you might think it's like, oh, it's okay, it's not that bad. It's been proven that this stuff reduces your IQ. You wonder why everybody is so dumb? Like the average IQ in America right now is horrible. No one is smart anymore. That's why it's so easy to succeed. There's not a single person that's smart. Let me just see the comments actually. I started using hydrogen peroxide, my teeth are super white. Exactly. Since I've started oil pulling and peroxide, my gums have stopped bleeding, teeth are whiter. Bro, exactly. I just literally taught you what oil pulling is and what peroxide is. What is oil pulling? Do you see, like, most people don't know this stuff. Most people don't actually know it. Switching the oil for 5 minutes and then spit it out. At least 15 to 20 minutes of oil pulling. 20 minutes, not 5. Bro, it doesn't matter. 5 to 20 minutes, doesn't matter. Hydrogen peroxide and mouthwash for the win. Well, hydrogen peroxide is the mouthwash. So do y'all just rinse with hydrogen peroxide? I haven't brushed my teeth over 17 years. He isn't wrong. Oil pulling? Exactly, bro. Haven't seen a dentist in so long. I've literally spent half of my life in a dentist chair, brushed twice a day, always have problems, cavities, sensitivities, bleeding gums. Shaking my head, bro. Don't you have to water down the hydrogen peroxide? You actually do, especially if you're in Dubai, by the way. When I went to Dubai, I was looking for hydrogen peroxide. There was not a single hydrogen peroxide that's 3%. All of it was like 6%, and that's it. So if you get something that's like 6%, then you really do have to water it down. 3%, my dad just takes it just like that. He doesn't really care. But 6%, you have to water it down because it's actually pretty strong. Hydrogen peroxide works. My kids even know this. Hydrogen peroxide also removes rust. I'm telling you, bro, toothpaste is the biggest scam. These people, they're joking on it, but they're actually right. But I'm actually kind of surprised, bro. I'm actually kind of surprised. The comments are pretty good. These are the people that don't put fluoride in their body. By the way, don't even come up here and tell me like, oh, but fluoride is good for you. It makes your teeth better. Habibi, it does not make your teeth better. It makes you dumber. Do you think making yourself dumber is going to make your teeth better? Even the water. Like I told you guys, the water that I take, I don't even drink tap water anymore because tap water is just filled with fluoride. So now what's the solution? Just go here, spring water, type in spring water, and then, actually, no, don't type in spring water. Type in springwater.org. Where is it? Springwater.org. Is it this one? Actually, no, bro, I forgot. Find a spring water. Because for me, it's been a while. I haven't really seen this site. Find springwater.org. No, it's not even right. Which one is it? Shaking my head. Find spring water. This one right here. Find a spring. It's been a while. I haven't seen it because I've been only going to the same spring for so long. So go on this website right here. If you're in the US, you'll notice that you'll actually find a bunch of springs near you. If you're in Canada, you should be able to as well. But go here, look for a spring near you. And then when you, look at this area especially, so many springs right here. Well, this is honestly all the reported springs. Go here, drink from the spring water. You'll notice that your health is going to be better. Your gut is going to be better. Your teeth are going to be better. Your hydration is going to be better. No fluoride in the water. Habibi, spring waters are, by the way, Zamzam is spring water, just so you know. Look, I go here. I go all the way. Where is it? Go all the way to Mecca. Where is Mecca? Look, we go all the way to Mecca. In the Middle East, there's only one spring water. Actually, there's one in here too. Where is it? Palestine. Right here. That's actually crazy. No way. But anyway, so the only spring water that I know of in Middle East is this one, which is Mecca. Zamzam well. So spring water is just the water from Zamzam. It's the same water because it's coming from the ground. Drink that water. Avoid aluminum. Avoid fluoride. Oil pull, coconut oil, baking soda, or just coconut oil by itself. Put it in your mouth 5 to 20 minutes and then throw it out. Then brush your teeth with just only the brush. Even better is if you like just go and buy a high quality brush, like from high quality material, not from plastic, and then hydrogen peroxide before that, and you're good. You're actually good. Add a miswak on top of that, and you're beautiful.